I planted strawberries in my vertical tower setup. This is my first year growing strawberries this way, but I think it's going to be a great way to save space, reduce pest pressure, and grow a ton of berries in a small area. So let's get started. I recently DIY'd this tower out of 3 plastic pots. Okay, so here's a close-up of what the bare root strawberry plants look like. The roots look nice and healthy, and you've got a little bit of growth here. It's important when planting bare root strawberries, you don't want to fully cover the crown, so you want to plant it, right about here. You can kind of see, like, especially with this one, since it's already growing, you can kind of see like where it's growing out of. So just don't cover the whole thing if you don't already see growth. But yeah, these look good. In my strawberry planter, I'm going to be also amending with bud meal, worm castings, and then this all-purpose fertilizer. I also like to add azomite to my beds for added nutrition. So I started filling up my planters with dirt, and while doing this, I realized that the holes that I cut out for the strawberries to pop out of were a little bit too big. So what I ended up doing was using these old newspaper clippings and then making a smaller hole for the strawberry to stick out of, like that, and then kind of filling in the bigger hole with what you see here. So in order for my layers to stand upright, I'm just using this garden stake to keep a support system in the middle. And then I just continued on with this process of filling in each hole with the newspaper and letting the strawberry plant stick out of that, and then topping each layer the same way. Since I had lots of space left on my strawberry tower, I decided to companion plant these Itoli onions in with the strawberries. I'll be honest, I did get a little bit confused with my companion planting. Strawberry is great companion planted with garlic, but we're going to try these onions this time. And so with these Itoli onions, I'm going to plant it pointy side up. So they're... Thanks for watching. I'll do an update video in the spring to show how this worked out, so keep an eye out for that, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening ideas and updates. Happy growing! I'll see you in the next video.